Otsukare-sama, Yuya! Yun ako mag-Japanese. Wala na ako energy. Today is April 5, 2024. And first day ng butay ni Yuya. I will be speaking Tagalog. So, yung first is, ano ba? Yuya, it was very quiet, sudden. As in, gaya ng pull up, always on time, and then, hindi ko na, dito, yung, ito, di ko naman, na-start na. So, yung unang part is, sorry, anong pangalan ng girl? Mikami? Misami? Wait, yung name niya? Ito. Kurumi. Kurumi-san. Kurumi-san. Sobrang galing. Siya yung unang lumabas. And then, so, nag-iintay lang siya doon. So, yung first role niya na, yung pink hair na parang teenager na happy-go-lucky girl. And then, yung pwesto ko kasi parang second row N, 30 yung seat ko. And then, merong, lang dito, mga 4-3 na may another space, may entrance, parang may entrance dito. Tapos ito yung another seats, and then yung stage. Malapit lang, sobrang lapit. And then, nag-wait si... Sorry, nalimutan ng mura. Sorry, anong name niya? Kurumi-san sa stage. And then, tawag dito. Tapos yung first role ni Yuya, delivery man, doon siya lumabas. Sobrang lapit niya. Literally, my heart just stopped. Few ano lang kay Yuya. Yuya. Few steps, upstairs, seats, few blocks. Sobrang few meters lang kay Yuya. Tapos yung first role niya na delivery man. Ayun. As in, tumigal talaga yung puso ko. Nung lumabas siya. Kasi, dito, hindi ko na-expect na lalabas siya doon. Nakala ko lahat. Though, yun, doon sa buong butay, is, yun, doon lang lumabas si Yuya. And then, the rest, si Kurumi-san, saka si Yuya, doon, within the stage na, entrance, exit. Tapos, yung 8 roles ni Yuya and 4 roles ni Kurumi-san. Amazing. This is my first ever butay. And, sobrang experience. Sa ano ko? Kurume, Japan. Sa Kurume Grand City Plaza. Yung first day. Then, tomorrow, mayroon 12 noon. I won't attend. And I will be attending the last day, the April 6th show. The April 6 around 5 p.m. Yeah. Ayun. And then, paano ba? Yeah. So, yung Tokyo Ronde, nakalimutan ko yung, parang Tokyo Rombo ata. Parang round Tokyo, yung meaning ata nito. Yung kanji nito. I totally forgot. Something like that. So, yung yung Tokyo Ronde, I can just say na Yuya just tripping in front of me many times, and grabe Yuya, I'm so blessed, I'm so thankful. Yan. May dala nga pala akong binocular, it's so worth it. Not for that reason, but it also comes from that reason. Yuya, why are you so famous? Ang linis ni Yuya! Dream man, oh my god, like,
For that reason.
Yung binocular, yeah! I bought that when I watched Pull Up live this January. And then, I think na kahit first row ako, if ever, kahit quote-unquote, if ever first row ako, magdadala pa rin akong binocular kasi sobrang worth it yung makita si Yuya. At saka ang ganda ni Kurumi-san, sobrang ganda niya. Kurumi, no? Wala, parang ang cute lang kasi nasa Kurumi ako, nadilito tuloy ako. Yuya. Ano ba? Yung story, medyo all about social, iba't ibang kinds of love. Exusuru, sexusuru, isho ni neru. That kind of exciting. Ano ba? Yun. And then, yung final, yung parang, I don't know, it's kind of curtain call in a way. Yung huli, na tumigil. Tapos lumabas si Yuya, si Kurumi, and then, lumabas ulit sila. That hakshu, that applause that I gave live, it's really a different feeling kasi no-feel ko yung I am watching live Yuya, supporting Yuya, and sobrang everything is so authentic na I felt the hard work and everything from those lines, blockings, everything. Sobrang ang galing ni Yuya, sobra. Kurumi-san din, sobra. Everything is so perfect. Sa roles ni Yuya, baka... Ayan. Hello. Review ng roles ni Yuya sa Tokyo Ronde. So, sa roles ni Yuya, so, I can only give what ko ano, I will just review kung ano lang masasabi ko. So, may kasama na to love kay Yuya. So, yung mga highlights sa akin is yung mga nag-English siya. Wala, ang cute lang. And then, yung the way he portrays all 8 roles, sobrang dito, sobrang amazing, sobrang galing. Kasi ang galing niya as an actor. And Kurumi-san too. Kasi ang galing. Kahit sobrang split second lang na from this being the delivery man with the role of Kurumi-san, the teenage girl, I think, and then the Rex role, delivery man, and the maid, and then all those yung flow ng story, yung roles, how they portray. Sobrang galing. Wala na ako sa yung mga highlights sa akin. Ano ba? Yung Nagyos, puro ano, ang daming bisyo actually. Ang dami kong bisyo nakita. Weed, cigarette, saka, actually wala namang alcohol. Parang wala alcohol. Ay, hindi. May alcohol pero yung sa weed. More on sa cigarette yung nakita ko na, yan, more on vices. And highlight, actually yung highlight yung kumanta si Yuya, yung nagpresent siya ng yung parang quote-unquote original song nung role niya, and then Kurumi-san dancing on the, tapos yung setting na yon is around holidays or Christmas na month, so nagbabatian sila ng happy holidays, and then yung time na yun ano si Yuya, naka-blondie wig, tapos yung style niya na musician, and then hearing him sing live, of course, beautiful voice. Ayun, sobrang na ano pa rin ako, embodying. Okay, around it. Ayun, so sa yung last, tawag dito. Nung natapos yung show, sobrang ini-embody ko. Ay, totoo kay Yuya kasi lumabas siya. And then, nung umas ulit, hindi pala siya lumabas, sorry. Siya yung huling umalis kasi parang si Kurumi-san, yung nagbabaw sila, tapos si Yuya, nung gumagano siya, wala, it just made me laugh. Sorry. And then after nun, finalo ko na ayun, nag-exit na kami. And then, dito, nag-exit na kami. Hinahanap ko yung pwede magsulat ng letter kay Yuya. And then, akala ko kasi parang may stationery. Akala ko kasi literally na magsusulat on the actor and actress. Pero present box pala yung nandun. And wala akong papel. Sorry, walang papel. May papel ako, and then yung first thing that comes to my mind na papel na may sulat kayo yung mini notebook ko. And then, ayun, medyo, ano lang sabi ko in both Japanese and English. And yung letter na sinabi ko sa kanya is Takaki Yuya-san, Takaki Yuya Honhe. Ito, yung date, tapos Takaki Yunhe, to Takaki Yuya, Otsukare sama deshita, yoku gambarimashita. And then, Filipino ito. This, nalimutan ko na dapat Philippine din. Anyway, ayun. Tapos another nun is yung in English na letter na Thank you, yeah, I support you from Philippines. Tapos, Camille. Ayun. And then, umabot naman siya, nabigay ko naman. So, ayun, sobrang galing Yuya. Orange temasu. Daisuki desu. Bye.